I need to walk today anyway to get a little exercise. It's not as cold as it was this morning, but it's still cold. But I'm good. But I just wanted to come to y'all and let y'all know, don't be dependent on people. You know, if you can get out and do it yourself, just go ahead and do it yourself, you know. But just notice what's happening. Just notice who's there for you and who's not there for you when you're in your time of need. You know what I'm saying? Like, I don't have no transportation right now. And that's okay. Because I don't care nothing about catching the bus and stuff. You know, or catching a train, Lyft, Uber, or walking it out if it's close to where I stay. But God gonna bless me real soon. I feel the breakthrough coming. You know what I'm saying? And it's a new year. I place myself around good-spirited people. I'm doing a lot of things behind the scene to get off of this Section 8 program and to move ahead. Like, I think it's kind of time for me to move out the environment that I've been staying in, because I just want new scenery, new things, meet new people, you know, new challenges, new goals, new dreams. And how the new gonna happen if you're still in the same environment, you know, that I know this environment backwards and forwards, which is a good thing in a way, but sometimes you gotta move on for the better, or for just the experience. You feel me? So I think everything gonna work out in God's timing, as long as I keep praising the Lord, reading my Bible, you know, having faith. You're welcome.
Straight down, right?
Straight down. You can't miss it when you get to it. It's on the left-hand side. You're welcome. So, yeah. It's kind of time for me to, you know, move on along. So, yeah, like I said, don't depend on people. Just gonna do what you gotta do if you can do it. I know a lot of us confined to the house. We might be confined to the bed, a wheelchair, a walker. You know, some of us probably can't walk a long distance and stuff. And we have to depend on people, you know. But if you're able to do it yourself, just go ahead and do it yourself. And don't even worry about it. Don't think twice about the people that's supposed to be coming through for you or none of that. Because just know, God provides for people at different times. So everybody's not going to get their blessing at the same time. You feel what I'm saying? And I know this. So, should have got on that bus, but I'm almost here now. So, don't get discouraged when you see other people getting their blessings, because you got to keep in mind, you don't know how those people got those things. You don't know what they went through to get those things. You don't know how many miles they walked. You don't know the talk that they taught to get the things that they have. And some gonna be scamming. So don't be out here, oh, she got this, I wish I had what he got, and this and that and the other, and you don't know how they got those. So I'm just continue to do what I'm doing, and thank you, God, for waking me up every day so I can do what I'm doing to move on and have a better life. Well, if I don't want to walk to the store, I don't have to walk to the store. You know what I'm saying? I can just get in my car or my truck or my van or my bus or my ice cream truck and just roll to the store. But I like to walk too, y'all. So when I do get my vehicle, which is gonna be very, very soon, y'all. When I do get it, I'm still gonna be walking because it's a form of exercise and I'm getting older, so I got to continue to move my joints and let the blood flow through and, you know, all of it. So yeah, I ain't worried about it. I'm just gonna walk it out, hey, and be all right with it. Yeah. Hi. I'm almost at my destination. So I just want to come through and let you know. A little bit depending on nobody. You got something to do, Lord, go ahead and do it. If you have the physical ability to do it. You know, they got all kinds of people that'll come drop your food off, do the grocery shopping, Instacart, Kroger, Walmart, Publix. You know, they do the food restaurants. They even do the liquor stores now. So if it's affordable for you to just call one of them so you can get the services you need versus sitting here waiting on somebody, then that's what you do. Cause baby, these people come on their time, and you could be paying them, and they still gonna come on their time. But I just wanted to show y'all, talk to y'all, show y'all the scenery I'm trying to move from. That I am going to move from. Baby, I'm finna speak this into existence. It's gonna work out for the better. And I'll be back, y'all. Oh, but it ain't yet.